Well, this is water repellent and used for this glasses, front windshield or side mirror, side view mirror. You can use it anywhere on the glass. Well, the actual purpose of this thing is if it is raining outside and you are driving around above 45 km/h, then you don't have to turn on the wipers. The water will move automatically, just like a nano coating, you can say. Let me try it and we'll show you. Wow. Oh, this product really works. So nice. Now it is raining and we should test this product. Company says above 45 km you don't have to use wipers. I don't think so. I have to use it on 20. I can see everything clearly. Let's go on a little higher speed. Wow. Seriously, this is so good. I'm not using any wipers. I can see clearly. Oh man, this is so good.